Hello and welcome to ProDriver UK. This is clips from April, May and June 2019. Here we are on the A12 and we've got a late exit, probably due to the traffic ahead. I just want to say thank you to my subscribers and hopefully I'll get some more. Looks like this German car, the Audi's going to rejoin ahead on the other side of the roundabout. There's quite a lot of clips this time round, and this is my first commentary video. Here we have another German vehicle, late entry or exit, but he could have used my lane that I'm using, so he's not from around these parts, so he wasn't to know. Right, what we got next? Ah, nice village drive I got right away, and we have a Land Rover. Never mind, we all make mistakes. And off we go. Okay, what we got here? Oh, he's just pulled out in front of him. Wasn't expecting that. Never mind. In a hurry to get out the garden centre. And we have a nice drive through the countryside. Taking the bends nice and easy. Got a heavy load. Oh, hello. We've got a van who's in more of a hurry than I am. Off to go and get some lunch. What we got? Motorway. Just overtake this lorry and go back in again. Oh, we got a fast car who wants to undertake everybody. Happens a lot. North circular. He wants to undertake, and the moped says, no you ain't. There you go. Just everyday occurrence around London. What we got here? Oh, a bit impatient. Same vehicle again. Our bus lane ahead. We want to filter in. I'll let this lorry go. Let me in, let me in. Yeah, he's going to let me in. And we're all good. We all got to sit and wait for the traffic. Oh no, there's a German car that thinks he's a bus. And here we go, a little roundabout. Silver one's coming, we'll give way to that one. And he's slowing everything down. Off we go again. Motorway, middle lane. Bit of braking, quite heavy traffic. Oh, he's coming in. In you come. Oh, you want my lane as well? Okay. Oh, and he wants that lane as well. Oh dear. Taxi driver didn't see him coming because I'm in a quite high vehicle. Oh, here we go, London. What's happening? What's happening? Orange light, turning right, cut the cyclist up. That was a bit messy. We have lane one. Oh, we've got a speedy Land Rover or Range Rover, speedy German. Braking for the camera. Another speedy one. Must be a Friday. What we got? Oh, a red light. Okay, we'll stop here. Oh, German cars do what they like. Oh, well, everyone's turning off. Oh, there's a late turning off there. Don't know where they're going. M25 again. Oh, we've got a van. Wants to get ahead of the other red car, I think. There he goes. Got home an extra second early. 50-mile-an-hour speed limit. Oh, someone's smoking over there. Doesn't look good. Oh, maybe a roundabout. Oh, yeah, I remember this one. I've got a moped behind me, and he overtakes me on the roundabout, which I've not seen before. What's this one? It's got to be a speedy German. There we are. Always is. Oh yeah, this is where I was sitting in lane 1. I thought I'll let these group join ahead of me. Plenty of room there to sit behind the lorry. I'll probably overtake the lorry eventually, but there's plenty of room there for everyone. Oh, apart from the Ford, it's a wannabe German car, but he just wants to sit there, so I'll go around you then. Ah, we've got traffic. Part and parcel. Oh, there's another German. He's in a hurry. Right, what have we got next? Well, it's not German. Not quite sure where they want to be going. Never mind. Oh yeah, another slip road. I'll get over, let them come on, and we're all good. And the German's like, no, this is all my motorway. Mine, 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 mine. You have it, mate. Right, another slip road. Quite a nice long slip road. And another German. Oh, nothing against Germans. They're well-made cars. And we've got bird poo on the windscreen. Oh, and 2 Germans. God, they don't like each other. Deary me. Yeah, I like that clip. That was a good one. It's only 40 down there. Right, what we got next? M11. Couple of Germans. Oh, getting undertaken. Oh dear. I don't think you'll be very happy about that. Oh, we got another German in front of me. Another German. And it looks like the white van comes over, who's also German. He wants that lane. Oh dear, how messy. What we got? We're doing the right. Oh, it's a red light. We'll have to. Oh, well, I'll have to wait. Maybe not then. Oh, that looks chock-a-block. Green light. Quick, 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 quick. Now it's red. Oh, of course. Don't want to wait for that. Here we are, middle lane. German. Don't know. And I've got one more clip. I don't know if he looked or not, but probably a German bicycle. But thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you very much.